Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and welcome to another video of my reviews. So if you love smoothies as I do, you need to have this product. So this product is actually a mini blender that you can do your blender for yourself in just about 20 seconds. So with what does come in the pack? So we have the manual instruction and we do have the actual cup. We don't have any meals indicated here, but this is just like for yourself a mini smoothie. It has the blades, so it's like 4 stainless steel blades, a very good silicone seal. The base and the actual blender, so the cup and the actual base of the blender, they're connecting between themselves with, like, this is a silicone and this is a plastic, yes? So basically it prevents from heating up. As well, we have a strainer, which is very useful. So if you have a blender with many seeds, or you just want to blend some of the fruits or veggies, you just place the strainer here inside, and here you go, you have strained your smoothie. And it does come as well with this cup, which is very handy. So it has this like handle if you want to take it with yourself or just to attach to your backpack or bag. It has the opener, yeah, just like this, and it's sealed everyone with silicone so it doesn't leak. So basically this is the perfect smoothie maker if you just want to make a smoothie and you're in a hurry to go for a run or to go for work or anywhere you want to go. So I'll show you now how to make with this blender smoothie in 20 seconds. So my favorite smoothie is banana and peanut butter smoothie. So what I'll do, I'll just put a banana inside. Yeah. About 3/4 of a cup of milk. Yeah, just make sure that you don't go over the max indicator here. And a spoonful of peanut butter. So if you want to know how to make peanut butter, homemade peanut butter, I'll link the video in the description. Just in it goes. Okay. Close it. You'll feel when it's closed because basically that silicone is very strong. So here you go, your smoothie to go. You just close it and you're good to go. So this is the mini blender for homgeek. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Write in the comments below what would you like to see on my channel, or maybe some other products, so I would love to present them to you. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.